Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the construction going on the Yallas Main Road. They are actually digging up the road to lay pipes. Now today we're driving through St. Thomas, and St. Thomas is it's a parish on the eastern coast of Jamaica, or the eastern side of Jamaica. And the capital of St. Thomas is Morant Bay, but we're actually driving into one of the smaller towns, which is Yallas. So this is the Yallas Main Road. Now, St. Thomas is most famous for the Morant Bay Rebellion that happened back in the 1800s, and that is where it was a major or a very significant rebellion in Jamaica, because after the Morant Bay Rebellion, Jamaica was basically put on a track for independence, and that it was a rebellion led by Paul Bogle, and he's actually a national hero of Jamaica because of the rebellion. Now, Yallas is one of the main towns in St. Thomas. It's a small town. The population is about 8,000. Morant Bay is definitely the largest town, and it's also the capital. But Yallas is also where you're going to find the first Baptist church in Jamaica. And as you know, a lot of these churches in Jamaica are affiliated with schools. But the Baptist church, this is where they actually started. So this is a town. It's a small town, 8,000 people. But this is the first main town you're going to get to when you're driving from Kingston to Morant Bay. And I guess one of the main, the Yallas River is one of the main sources of water for the parish of Kingston and St. Andrew, which is Kingston is the capital. We're going to turn around here because it's a kind of a long drive towards Morant Bay, and the road is terrible. So we'll just turn around here. The entire parish of St. Thomas has probably a population of 90,000 people. But the largest town, this is Yallas, which is about 8,000. So they have probably 1/10 of the population. Morant Bay is a town where you're going to find the larger population. Alright, so we're heading out of the town of Yallas back to Kingston now. On the left is the St. Thomas Parish Court, and it's actually like an outstation, the Yallas Courthouse. But Morant Bay is where you'll find I guess you would say the larger courthouse, or So when the highway is finished, it would, reaching a town like this, you would reach in no time. And the quality of the drive will be so much better. So that's why the highway is so important for these small towns. And just as an example, you have the bath fountain, which is a mineral bath. I'm sure a lot more persons would leave from Kingston to go there once this highway is finished. But St. Thomas doesn't have a lot of infrastructure. It doesn't have a lot of tourist attractions. Basically, we shouldn't say it, but it's like a forgotten parish. It's probably the parish persons have visited the least. Jamaicans visit this parish the least. And that's the Baptist church on the right, which would have been the first Baptist church in Jamaica. So Yallas High School on the left, you take that road down to it. So the St. Thomas has a population of almost, call it 100,000. So it's a very small population compared to the other parishes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.